Ciao, ¿cómo está mi gente bella? I'm glad to see you one more time here. You guys passing by my channel and check me out to see what's going on. But I'll tell you what, 59 kilometers, right in the bag, my awesome rush bike from Rushback store. And it wasn't easy, guys, trust me, to come here. A little bit lost, but yeah, I made it. But the place is nice, beautiful. You can come by if there's no much rain season. You can take a nice shower, you know, here and bathe yourself and have fun. Where's Noah? Where's Paula? Well, today's Wednesday, and I took my chance to make this content for you guys to show you this place and to see it with the eyes of the drone, you know, with a different perspective from the air, you know. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like the green, the mountain, and the little waterfall, MANDUCA COELHO here. Alright guys, until the next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button for the new videos coming ahead, guys. E lembre que toda sexta-feira eu posto novo video, galera? Beleza? Falou? I'm always gonna post new videos every Friday, you know guys, every Friday there's a new video coming ahead. Ciao, ciao. Peace, love.